Hello friends, let's again switch on the fast track mode for the topic vectors. In previous fast track mode video lecture series, we have covered the topic three-dimensional geometry with all concepts, shortcut tricks and tips, and also solved so many questions based on all those concepts. So if you have not seen those videos, please check out my playlist. I have given the link below in the description. So coming to the topic vectors, the weightage for this topic is around 20 marks. 20 marks, ठीक है. 20 मार्क्स मतलब भाई आप पास हो सकते हो इस टॉपिक में. इस टॉपिक में नहीं, अपने पूरे पेपर में पास हो सकते हो इफ़ यू हैव फुल कंसेप्ट ऑफ दिस टॉपिक वेक्टर्स. सपने में भी नहीं सोचना है कि भाई इस टॉपिक को ऑप्शन में छोड़ना है. क्यों भाई? 20 मार्क्स मतलब क्या, जोक नहीं है, मजाक नहीं है. 20 मार्क्स अगर आपने सोच लिया है कि इस टॉपिक को छोड़ना है, कि भाई सपना भी नहीं देखना है एनडीए का, ठीक है ना, डेफिनेटली यार, ट्रस्ट मी, एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो लेक्चर सीरीज यू वोंट स्किप दिस टॉपिक. व्हाई? एज यूजुअल ऐसे ऐसे फंडे देने वाला हूँ ना इस पूरे वीडियो लेक्चर सीरीज में, ऐसे ऐसे शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स देने वाला हूँ ना, यू विल एंजॉय दिस टॉपिक वेक्टर्स. कोई भी क्वेश्चन दे दो वेक्टर्स का, अरे यार हम लोग एक मस्त सॉल्व कर देंगे इसको, बिकॉज भाई नाम ही है अपना मैथ्स विथ फन. ठीक है, फन एंजॉय कर करके हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं मैथ्स. ठीक है. सो कमिंग टू द टॉपिक वेक्टर्स in the fast track mode, what I am going to do is I will cover each and every concepts with shortcut tricks, and at the end of every video you will be getting examples on those concepts which we have discussed in the same topic. ठीक है. तो क्या करना है भाई, ये वीडियो को ना पूरा एंड तक देखना है. ये नहीं, सब वीडियोस को एंड तक देखना है, सो दैट यू वोंट मिस एनी concepts as well as not the examples. Okay, these examples are I have taken from the previously asked papers. Okay, so let's start the topic vectors. So in this video I am going to cover the introduction, types of vectors, triangle law, parallelogram law and subtraction of vectors. This is going to be very basic video. ओके. एंड भाई जो स्टूडेंट्स है कि जिनको वेक्टर्स बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता है, यू ऑल्सो प्लीज डोंट वरी. ठीक है, पूरा बेसिक से कवर करने वाला हूँ मैं इस टॉपिक को, पूरा बेसिक से पूरा एंड तक. ठीक है. ओके, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो द इंट्रोडक्शन. सो व्हाट आर द स्केलर क्वांटिटीज? द क्वांटिटीज विच हैव ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड. ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड. ठीक है. अभी भाई आप बोले कि भाई अपने टू व्हीलर पे क्या रहता है, ये सपोज दिस इज आवर टू व्हीलर एंड ये अपना स्पीडोमीटर है. स्पीडोमीटर मतलब जो स्पीड दिखाता है. नाउ ये जो स्पीड दिखाता है, दिस ओनली टेल्स यू 40 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. ओके, दिस स्पीड्स x किलोमीटर्स पर आवर, 40 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. ये जो 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर, ये जो स्पीड है ना, दिस इज ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड. विथ what speed you are moving, that gives you only the magnitude. ठीक है. But what is vector quantity? Vector quantity is what? You have the magnitude as well as the direction. You have the magnitude and the direction. ठीक है ना, magnitude भी है and direction भी. So if speed is a scalar quantity, then velocity is the vector quantity. This gives you me the 40 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर तो देगा ही भाई ये. ठीक है. प्लस इट विल टेल मी कि भाई इन विच डायरेक्शन यू आर मूविंग. सपोज साउथ में है, नॉर्थ में है, इन विच डायरेक्शन यू आर मूविंग, दैट विल ऑल्सो बी कवर्ड इन दी वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. ठीक है ना, इंपॉर्टेंट है ना वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. ओके, और एक बार हम एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. ठीक है. सो इन दी ये जो मिसाइल है, ठीक है, अभी ये मिसाइल है ना, इधर एक एरोप्लेन आ रहा है, एरोप्लेन नहीं है, ओके, दुश्मन का एरोप्लेन आ रहा है, पता नहीं ये कैसे है, दिख रहा है एरोप्लेन. ओके ओके, एरोप्लेन है, मछली है, नहीं, कंसिडर इट इज एरोप्लेन. ठीक है. अभी इसको मुझे ना ये शूट करना है इस एरोप्लेन को यूजिंग दिस. ओके, सो व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट? सो बताओ यार, मुझे सिर्फ स्पीड से काम चलेगा क्या? यहाँ पे ओनली स्पीड के साथ काम चलेगा क्या? नहीं, आई वॉन्ट डायरेक्शन ऑल्सो, इन विच trajectory I have to shoot, okay, that is again very very important. ठीक है, अभी suppose you are shooting with the speed of 250 kilometers per hour and you are shooting in this direction. अभी ये इसको shoot कर सकते हो क्या? नहीं भाई, तो वेक्टर इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कहाँ पे काम आएगा कि दीज आर दी सिंपल एग्जांपल्स. ओके, सो वी रिक्वायर द मैग्नीट्यूड एज वेल एज द डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द, okay, let me erase. So what is the, how to find out, or what is the trick? It gives me the only magnitude, no problem. Okay, and it gives me the magnitude and direction. See how I am writing the and means multiplication, that we have studied the trick in the probability permutation and combination. Okay, magnitude and direction. Okay, and each and every vector is denoted by, okay, I will come to this within a minute. Suppose there is one vector a bar, okay, and how it is represented is xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, means what? X unit on the x axis, y unit on the y axis, and z unit on the z axis. Okay, and I j k are the unit vectors. I j k are the unit vectors along x, y and z axis respectively. ये respectively बहुत important है. ठीक है, xi, yj and zk. Now if you are saying कि a bar is a vector, okay, if you are saying a bar is a vector, means what? It is having two quantities in it. One is its magnitude and other is its direction. So can you give me only its direction? Okay, can you give me only its direction? Yes, I can give the only direction. How? If I divide this vector by magnitude, what happens? Magnitude cancel, so it will give me only direction of that vector. So इसका सिर्फ डायरेक्शन कैसा निकालोगे? ये वेक्टर divided by its magnitude, that will give me the only direction vector. Okay, so please note of this because it will be requiring in the coming slides. So what is, so let's have some type of vectors. Zero vector. अभी zero vector means what? ये zero मतलब ये magnitude है. Zero vector is a magnitude is zero. Magnitude is equals to zero. Okay, so zero vector, can you represent the zero vector? Magnitude zero है ना यार, कैसा represent करोगे उसको? नहीं. Okay, if magnitude is zero, we cannot represent that vector. And what would be the direction? Cannot determine, because magnitude in which direction it will move? No, I don't know. Okay, so if it is zero vector, then magnitude is zero and its direction is what? Can't determine. Okay, very good. पोजिशन वेक्टर. अभी पोजिशन वेक्टर के लिए एक छोटा सा एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं कि भाई अपने पास x एक्सिस, y एक्सिस एंड z एक्सिस है, एंड सपोज वी हैव द पॉइंट P इन ब्रैकेट 2, 3, 4. ओके, सो व्हाट विल हैव इज join this P with the origin. Join this P with the origin, you will get O and P. Okay, means what? OP bar. Now the vector is represented by that, you know. Okay, OP bar is equals to this 2 means what? It is on the x axis, this is on the y axis, and this is on the z axis. 2 units on the x axis, so it is 2i. 3 units 3j, and 4 units on z axis plus 4k. What is this? So this is nothing but my position vector of point P. पोजिशन वेक्टर के लिए कंडीशन के कि भाई जो इनिशियल पॉइंट है ना, इनिशियल जो पॉइंट है ना, दैट शुड बी ऑलवेज ओरिजिन. दैट शुड बी ऑलवेज ओरिजिन. इनिशियल पॉइंट जो है ना, दैट शुड बी ऑलवेज ओरिजिन. ओके, इफ आई टेक यहाँ पे ए पॉइंट, देन ओ ए बार बिकम्स द पोजिशन वेक्टर ऑफ ए. गेटिंग? वेरी गुड. Next, coming to the point is unit vector. Okay, let me erase everything here again. So unit vector, just now I told you, if you have the vector a bar, suppose 2i plus 3j plus 4k. Okay, now this is having two quantities, one is its magnitude and other is its direction. Okay, so how you will get only direction? Just to divide by magnitude. So magnitude cancel, it will give me the direction. Okay, so direction of vector also known as a direction. So unit vector का synonym क्या है? Unit vector is also known as a direction vector. It is also known as a direction vector. Okay, so can you give me the unit vector or direction vector of this 2i plus 3j? Yes sir, अभी दे सकता हूँ ना मैं. It is 3i plus 4j plus 2i plus 3j plus 4k divided by इसका मैग्नीट्यूड कर दो. So magnitude is represented by what? Mod a bar or, so magnitude is represented by mod a bar or only a. Okay, so this will definitely give you the direction vector or the unit vector of a, and it is denoted by a cap. Okay, this cap is for unit vectors, always remember. So what definition we can do for the unit vector is, unit vector a cap is equals to, it is vector a bar divided by its magnitude. Vector divided by its magnitude. See, vector is nothing but this whole thing divided by magnitude, cancel, magnitude cancel, that will give me only direction. Okay, so ये ना भाई, ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है पूरे वेक्टर टॉपिक में, बिकॉज 80% ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम द यूनिट वेक्टर्स. कोई भी क्वेश्चन ले लो उसमें यार यूनिट वेक्टर आता ही आता है. ओके, सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट वन. Equal vectors. So the two vectors a bar and b bar are said to be equal vectors if and only if their magnitude are same and their directions are also same. ठीक है, their magnitude and direction should be same, then only I say these two vectors are equal. Okay, next, collinear vectors. अभी एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. सपोज दिस इज अ वेक्टर a bar. ओके, सपोज दिस इज वेक्टर a bar एंड इसका जो मैग्नीट्यूड है, सपोज इट इज अ 5. इसका जो मैग्नीट्यूड है दैट इज 5 एंड दिस इज इट्स अ डायरेक्शन. वेक्टर मीन्स इट हैज टू क्वांटिटीज, वन इज वेक्टर डायरेक्शन एंड अदर इज अ मैग्नीट्यूड. ओके, सपोज देयर इज अनदर वेक्टर whose magnitude is 10 and it is b bar, whose magnitude is 10 and which is b bar and it is having the same direction. Okay, so the two vectors which are parallel to each other are known as collinear vectors. Now why I have taken this example, see here. Now can you write this b bar is equals to 2a bar. अभी बात बताओ मुझे कि भाई जो b bar का डायरेक्शन और a bar का डायरेक्शन आर सेम है या नहीं है. If the directions are same, then can we say these two vectors are parallel? Definitely. If vectors are parallel, then they are collinear. Getting? Now see here, the vectors which are scalar multiple of each other, the vectors which are scalar multiple of each other are always collinear vectors. Mark this shortcut trick, we can say vectors which are scalar multiple of each other, then two vectors are known as a collinear vectors. ठीक है, अभी इसका मुझे 50 करना है. सो ये हो गया मेरा 50. सो 50 I want magnitude 50 means what vector you will get is 10 into a bar. This is nothing but b bar. Again this vector 10 a bar is again collinear with the a bar. Okay, so what is the tip I can give you here is, all the vectors which are scalar multiple of each other are known as a collinear vectors. So tell me which vectors are collinear vectors here. A bar, b bar, 4a bar, 10b bar and 2a bar plus 9. Okay, so sir ये देखो a bar and 4a bar are collinear, b bar and 10b bar are collinear. इसके साथ कौन कोलिनियर है क्या? नहीं है, नो वन इज कोलिनियर बिकॉज ये क्वांटिटी कैसे है, इट इज अ मिक्स्ड क्वांटिटी, वेक्टर प्लस स्केलर है, इट इज अ मिक्स्ड क्वांटिटी. ओके, सो कोई भी कोलिनियर नहीं है इसके साथ. गेटिंग? सो प्लीज मेक अ नोट ऑफ दिट. नाउ व्हाट आर द कोप्लेनर वेक्टर्स. अभी कोप्लेनर वेक्टर्स के लिए ना एक मस्त डायग्राम निकालेगा मैं. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. ये अपना हो गया प्लेन. कोप्लेनर वेक्टर्स, को मीन्स व्हाट? टुगेदर, इट इज टुगेदर. समझ में आ रहा है अभी? प्लेनर, together on a plane. Suppose this is a a bar and suppose this is a b bar. Okay, ये दोनों है ना एक ही प्लेन पे. So can I say these two vectors are coplanar vectors? Yes. Suppose I add one more vector here, c bar. Can I have these three vectors are coplanar vectors? Yes. Until and unless the vector is outside this plane. Suppose this is a d bar and this is some different plane. Okay, suppose this is some different plane. So can I say these three vectors are coplanar with this vector? No, definitely not. Coplanar vectors are those vectors which lie on the same plane or which are parallel to the same plane. Getting? Very good. So tell me, any two vectors are always coplanar vectors or not? Yes, any two vectors you take in a space, they are always coplanar. थर्ड अगर वेक्टर आ गया तो भाई देखना पड़ेगा कि भाई कोप्लेनर क्या है. Okay, whether those vectors are coplanar. Don't worry, I am going to give the trick how to find out the coplanar vectors. So the next types are like and unlike vectors. ये तो बहुत सिंपल है. Suppose this is a A bar and suppose this is a B bar. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा सा मैग्नीट्यूड बढ़ाऊंगा इसका. Now the vectors having the same directions are known as a like vectors. Same direction. Unlike, भाई डायरेक्शन सेम नहीं है. नो डायरेक्शन सेम नहीं है. सपोज यू टेक ए बार लाइक दिस and b bar like this. These are the what? Unlike vectors, and these are the like vectors. Negative of vector. Suppose you take a bar. This is a bar. Negative of vector means what? इसका भाई मैग्नीट्यूड सेम होना चाहिए. ठीक है, एंड डायरेक्शन क्या होना चाहिए? एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट with same magnitude. Suppose this is of 10 magnitude, this has to be 10 magnitude with the exactly opposite direction. So how you will represent the negative of vector is, it is this vector is minus of a bar. Magnitude remains same, only you have multiplied with the minus 1. So again the scalar multiple is what? Minus 1. So can I say negative of vector and the original vector are collinear vectors? Yes यार, कि भाई वो दोनों पैरेलल है ना खुद को. That's why. Displacement of vector, अभी ये भी important है, but we have already studied. Suppose you have the point A with 2, 3, 4 and you have the point B 0, 7, 5. Then displacement of vector, if your vector is moving from A to B, then displacement of vector becomes the AB bar. And how to find out this AB bar is? AB bar is nothing but B bar minus A bar. Small b bar, A bar means what? These are the position vectors. Okay, so this is nothing but 0 minus 2 is minus 2i, plus 7 minus 3 is 4j, plus 5 minus 4 is k. Okay, ये हो गया भाई मेरा AB bar, which is a displacement vector. Okay, now addition of vectors. भाई बच्चों के ना ये एडिशन ऑफ वेक्टर का बहुत डर लगता है, पता नहीं क्यों. बहुत सिंपल है यार. सपोज यू हैव द पॉइंट ए एंड यू हैव डिस्प्लेस्ड योर वेक्टर फ्रॉम ए टू सपोज बी. okay, suppose you have displaced your vector from a to b, and again from there you have displaced your vector from a to c. Okay, now if I want to find out the AC bar, ये this is what? AC bar. This is AC bar. Okay, this is A bar suppose, and this is suppose B bar. Okay, instead of A bar and B bar, we'll directly take this AB bar, and this is a BC bar. Okay, see how I am writing. You cannot write this vector as a BA bar. Okay, AB bar, BA bar are not same. AB bar and BA bar are not same. Commutative law is not applicable. Okay, so first point, initial point, and terminal point should be respectively in accordance with that. Okay, A bar to B bar, B bar to C bar. Then this AC bar is always equals to initial point AB bar and terminal point is BC bar. Okay, AB bar plus BC bar is equals to AC bar. ये तो हो गया भाई अपना triangle. So what will be the resultant or the addition of these vectors? Please tell me. AB bar plus BC bar plus CD bar plus DM bar plus MN bar plus OP bar plus, okay, don't take OP here, we'll take one simple example, plus ON bar we'll take. Okay, so can you give me the, see here, ये B cancel किया ना तो I will get directly the addition of vector AC bar. ये देखो भाई, ये B cancel हो जाएगा इधर, this B cancel, so I am having the AC bar. Okay, this CD के साथ ये CC cancel हो गया, so I have the AD bar. Okay, ये गया cancel, ये D and ये DM, so I will get AM bar. Okay, this AMN bar and this AM bar I will get AN bar. Okay, now what I have is AN bar plus ON bar, which is equals to, can I take a negative of this vector? Yes, definitely. ON bar minus NO bar I can take. Okay, ON bar था उसको नेगेटिव किया तो NO bar हो गया. Now these two cancels, which is nothing but, okay, this is what, this is a concept of subtraction of vectors that fails in this next slide. Okay, so this is what, this is the addition of the vectors. We'll see the subtraction of the vectors in just a minute. Okay, so let me erase everything. Now what is the parallel law? So addition of vector triangle law क्या हो गया? If you have these vectors, suppose this is a bar and this is c bar, b bar, then c bar will be what? ये इसका direction, इसका direction, इसका direction. So it is a bar plus b bar. Okay, parallelogram law क्या बोलता है? Suppose you have this vector a bar and you have this vector b bar. Okay, you have this vector a bar. So this vector is known as the addition of these two vectors, because see here, because okay, suppose you join this and you join this. Suppose this is what your a bar and this is your b bar. Okay, then this c bar is equals to what? See, a bar and this vector is nothing but b bar, parallel to b bar, so I can take this as a vector. So this becomes my b bar. Now see, this is a of parallelogram के form में. But if you observe this a bar and b bar, ये भाई हो गया अपना triangle law. So this c bar is nothing but a bar plus b bar. Okay, so parallelogram कितना है parallelogram में? If you have these two vectors, suppose this is m bar and this is n bar, then इन दोनों के बीच में से जो जाएगा ना, that will be m bar plus n bar. Okay, so please remember this is a parallelogram law. Next, subtraction of vectors. Again, if you have understood this triangle law, you will understand the subtraction of vectors. Suppose you have this vector a bar, okay, and you have this vector b bar. So what will be the vector c bar? What will be the vector c bar is? It is a bar plus b bar. Now if I take negative of this vector b bar, if I take negative of this vector b bar, okay, ये इस direction में, negative means what? Magnitude remains same, direction is exactly opposite. Magnitude remains same, direction is exactly opposite. So this becomes minus b bar. Now you find out this. This is, suppose this is a d bar. So this d bar is, now see here, initial point, your starting vector is a bar and end vector is b bar in the same direction. ये जो direction है ना, same होना चाहिए. Okay, so and this direction will be what? Starting to end point. So d bar will be what? D bar is equals to, again use the triangle law. अभी ये triangle हो गया ना, so it is nothing but a bar minus b bar. Getting? Very good. So this is what a subtraction law. So let's start with questions based on this concept. Find a AB bar if B bar is and A bar is given. So AB bar is nothing but a very basic question. So B bar minus A bar, which is nothing but B minus A, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3I, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5J, and minus 3 0 is minus 3K. That's it. This is your answer, AB bar. That is B bar minus A bar. Next, find the unit vector in the direction of sum of the vectors A bar and B bar. यूनिट वेक्टर तो निकालना है, बट किस किस साथ निकालना है, कि इन दोनों का सम है ना, उसके साथ निकालना. सो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द ए बार प्लस बी बार? दैट इज व्हाट आवर सम वेक्टर, विच इज नथिंग बट, क्या करना है, सिंपली आई जे के कोएफिशिएंट रेस्पेक्टिवली ऐड करते जाना. सो 2 प्लस 2 इट इज 4i, 2 प्लस 1 इट इज 3j, एंड माइनस 5 प्लस 3 इज माइनस 2k. ये दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज माई sum vector, sum of a bar and b bar. Now I want to find out the direction vector of this sum vector. Abhi direction vector we have already studied. This vector is having both magnitude as well as the direction. So how you will get only direction? Divide by magnitude. Okay, इसके इस vector के magnitude के साथ divide करो. So how to find out the magnitude of any vector is, okay, it is nothing but, so it is mod of m bar is nothing but under root of square of each and every term, square of each and every term. So 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4. So this becomes root of, it is 29. Okay, so what is magnitude is nothing but 29. So how to get the direction vector of this vector is simply m cap, which is also known as unit vector, which is 4i plus 3j minus 2k upon root of 29. That's it. This is your answer, m cap. they will give you either m cap or unit vector or the direction vector. Okay, so let's find out the second one. Find the unit vector with magnitude 7 in the direction of this b bar. We all know that unit vector in the direction of b bar is nothing but, sorry, b cap is nothing but b bar upon b, that is vector divided by its magnitude. Vector is denoted by, unit vector is denoted by this cap. So b cap is equals to b bar by b, which is nothing but 2i plus j plus 3k divided by what will be the magnitude? A 2 of magnitude 4 plus 1 plus 9, which is nothing but 2i plus j plus 3k upon root of 14. Okay, so unit vector, unit means what? Its magnitude is 1. यूनिट वेक्टर ऑलवेज मैग्नीट्यूड इज 1. एज जीरो वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड 0 रहता है, यूनिट वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड 1 रहता है. ठीक है, मीन्स व्हाट? दिस बी कैप का मैग्नीट्यूड इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी 1. बट व्हाट इट इज आस्किंग मी कि भाई 7 मैग्नीट्यूड चाहिए मुझे. अभी दिस एक मैग्नीट्यूड को आप 7 कैसा करोगे सर? मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 कर दो इसको. सो व्हाट विल बी द यूनिट वेक्टर विथ मैग्नीट्यूड 7 इज 7 into b cap. Okay, now 7 into b cap becomes the 7 magnitude, and vector is what? 7 into, it is 2i plus j plus 3k upon root of 14. Okay, so this becomes the unit vector of magnitude 7. Okay, good. So find the values of x, y, z if a bar is this and b bar is this. Okay, क्या निकालना है? Find the vectors. If a bar is this, अब कंडीशन चाहिए ना, विदाउट कंडीशन हो. इफ a bar and b bar are equal vectors, if a bar and b bar are the equal vectors. okay, so क्या बोला है कि x y z के वैल्यूज निकालना है if a bar and b bar are the equal vectors. So we know that if equal vector means what? Their magnitude and their direction should be same. उससे आसान डेफिनेशन क्या बोल सकते हैं इक्वल वेक्टर्स के? इसको व्हाट कि भाई कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ आई जे के सेम होना चाहिए दोनों में, देन ओनली योर वेक्टर्स बिकम्स इक्वल. ठीक है, एज द वेक्टर्स आर इक्वल, सो व्हाट इज x इज इक्वल्स टू, x इज इक्वल्स टू 2. ओके, x इज इक्वल्स टू 2. कम दिस साइड, सो 2 इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? y. ये भी आ गया. कम दिस साइड, सो z इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? -1. हो गया ना भाई वैल्यूज ऑफ x y z. सो इट इज 2 and -1. These are the values of x, y and z. If they are equal, coefficient of x, y, z same. Let a bar is equals to this and b bar is equals to 2i plus j is, see, a and b magnitude are same. Is a bar is equals to b bar? ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो. If a bar is this and b bar is, find out the magnitude of a bar. So mod of a bar is nothing but root of 1 plus 4, which is root of 5. What will be the b bar का magnitude? So b is equals to root of 4 plus 1, which is root 5. Root 5 is equals to root 5. Yes sir, this is what? This is true. This is, yes, we can say कि भाई mod a is equals to mod b. Is vector a bar and b bar are same? क्या coefficient of i and j and same है क्या? नहीं. Okay, then we cannot say a bar and b bar are same. Okay, so one more method is what? You find out its direction and find out this direction. इस a bar का direction b bar का direction निकालो. So a bar का direction vector will be what? It is a cap, which is nothing but vector divided by its magnitude. Vector divided by its, so I plus 2j divided by root 5, and b cap will be what? It is 2i plus j upon root 5. So coefficient of I and j are not same. That's why this is wrong. ये नहीं बोल सकते हम लोग. ठीक है, सो a bar is not equals to b bar. So thanks for watching this video. अगर आपको पसंद है ना तो 4 काम करना है आपको. एक तो भाई लाइक करना है. ठीक है, ये थंब है अपना. ठीक है, दिस लाइक बटन, you hit this like button. Share with your friends, juniors, so that they will also be getting these concepts with tricks. Okay, in comment section में लिखो how you find this video, and please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss the upcoming very fantastic videos. Okay, thank you very much.